Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. The very important topics and search engine optimization, this SEO, search engine optimization, the same thing, your nicely presentation, search engine king, content is the king. Uh, the best, the worldwide, but powerful, a foundation, any traffics, any system presentation, the search engine optimization content is the king. And powerful and foundation search engine optimization, the best search engine optimization, ideal search engine optimization, unique search engine optimization, high quality search engine optimization, and the number one and best search engine optimization content is the king. Content basically including what you see on the site, the text, graphics, and even links to other website. You should be not use exchange graphics because they are not search engine friendly. Plus, however, graphics normally put the user out when then great, especially over and slow network. Thousands of articles, books, and forums entered are able on how to make your website search engine friendly, but ultimately one rules stand above the rest: unique and high quality and independent content is the king. Superior the quality of content, the higher the rank you achieve, larger the traffic you gain, and great the popular of website search engine proper and good quality site in the index and search result. Relevance finish the time content is great in article version to your website. It help your browse down traffic from search engine and creating audience loyalty. Unique high quality content. When people visit a website for information, why won't your unique speak on a topics? How is your materials and content unique? It the unique words, object and easy to find and to understand. Visitor want unique high quality site content. It is not only your home page content but also the link page should have useful and easy to understand content. Now search engine have becomes very smart and they are able to understand complete grammar and complete phrase. Hence, while ranking a page, grade other the content able on page master. Site when displayed channel on free content are grade given read fields by the search engine. Search engine optimization, content writing or copywriting. Search engine optimization, content writing, also referred as a search engine copywriting, involves the process of integrating keywords and informative phrase which make up the according content of your website. While writing your web page contain the following tips may be help you getting the better than object. The content should be different for a specific targeted audience. Keyword disdain and stain arts and for search engine guidelines. Title should always be easy creating and completing your website and visitors to read on want to know what you obtain of your site. Do not use configure embedding and complex language. Use small standard to make your content more understandable. Keep your web page short, organic, and distinct can contain the web page. Drive your web page connect also into short paper graphics. Other advantage of having great content. It is not only search engine optimization you need to think about. Many factors contribute to make your site popular. If your site having something really unique, then people like to suggest it to their friends. Other webmasters like to create a link of your site on their site. Your site visitor start trusting on your site and they look forward for the next content update and keep coming again and again. Although you are instant out by search engine, a but net shopper will click only the page who can contain scene look more unique and interesting. Conclusion: creating, editing, and promoting unique, high quality content is different and time consuming, but the golden rules of search engine optimization is the content is the king. It is not because of a search engine, but it is of your site version. As a page, they are read by people better than a page than read by. And so, write your content after insincere throws, keep your title, keyword, link, text, meta text, and update unique and interesting. Friends, very important the topics and some lecture, my class and my videos and my tutorial. Presentation, very important topics. The search engine optimization, content, this is king. Content is the highly foundation search engine optimization method. The any person, the good content, the right content, the target audience, and your business and your brands and your targetly ultimately goal, your revenue income and make monies. I can repeat the important points of search engine optimization. Content is the king. The unique high quality content, search engine optimization, content writing, advanced and having great content. Conclusion: the unique and high quality content must be perfect content used in your website. The people, visitor, every visitor targeted audience and must be highly and unique content they choose. They find you unique specific on topics how to matter or contain unique. It is understand above and easy to find, understand visitor and want to visitor high quality content site and easy understanding content, and that again the search and this content. The content marketing is the best marketing. The search engine optimization, the power of foundation, the content marketing, the same things, and the one talks, the content is the king. Thank you. Best of luck.